ऑन डिफरेंट डॉग ब्रीड्स, तो हम लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि हम एक एक करके अलग अलग डॉग ब्रीड्स को आने वाली वीडियोस में कवर करेंगे। तो आज हम लोग जिसके बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग ब्रीड्स हैं। दे आर रिट्रीवर्स। सो व्हाट आर रिट्रीवर्स? Retrievers are dogs with an ability to retrieve the game undamaged due to their soft mouth. So, the two most famous retrievers that have ranked among the top 10 best breeds for children and families are the Labrador and Golden Retriever. First, we talk about the Labrador Retrievers. Labrador Retrievers are the very intelligent breeds. तो इनकी इंटेलिजेंस का एक रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल है सुली, हु वाज द पेट ऑफ द फॉर्मर यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जॉर्ज बुश। जॉर्ज बुश जब पार्किंसन डिजीज के साथ सफर कर रहे थे तो सुली ने उनकी बहुत मदद की थी। ही यूज्ड टू ओपन एंड क्लोज द डोर फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट। कोई चीज नीचे गिर जाती थी तो उनको उठा के देना, उनको व्हील चेयर से उठने में मदद करना, ये सब वो बहुत अच्छे से जानता था। दिस प्रूव्स हिज इंटेलिजेंस। बिसाइड्स इंटेलिजेंस, the breed is famous for its good nature and loving temperament. The temperament is the hallmark of this breed. Maybe the aggression is not in their genes. So, Labradors bark when they lack exercise, or they may bark when they hear some sound coming from the unseen source. But remember, Labradors are not territorial. Three registered coat color of these breeds are chocolate, black and yellow color. So let's switch to the second breed of the dog, whose temperament is described as kindly, friendly and confident. Yes, I'm talking about Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are recorded as the fourth smartest dogs for their working intelligence and obedience. They are also excellent guard dogs. अगर आप लोगों के घर में कैट्स और रैबिट्स भी हैं या किसी को शौक है कोई और पेट पालने का, तो ये उनके साथ काफी अच्छे से एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं। Their easy training temperament makes them popular among the movie stars as well. And let me tell you one thing, they are also non-territorial like Labras and originated from United Kingdoms. Their average lifespan is 11 to 12 years. There is something common about Labradors and Golden Retrievers. They love water and they have ability to swim, all because they are gifted with webbed toes and waterproof coat. So now let's discuss some food items that should not be included in retrievers diet. The first one is chocolate. जैसा कि आप सब लोगों को पता है कि चॉकलेट डॉग्स को नहीं दी जाती, as the chocolates contain toxins like theobromine and caffeine, जो कि डॉग की बॉडी के ऊपर एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट छोड़ती है। The next one is the onion and garlic. Onion and garlic causes anemia in these retrievers. Never let your dogs have coffee, as the coffee again contains caffeine. Don't give your dogs grapes or raisins as it leaves a negative impact on the kidney of the dogs. Never give avocado fruits to your dogs as it contains a toxin named as persin, which can leave a negative impact again on their body metabolism. Don't try to give green tomatoes as it also contains a toxin named solanine, which can lead a bad impact on its body metabolism. As small amount of alcohol is fatal to the retrievers, please keep away your retrievers from alcohol. Now let's talk about some health issues seen in these retrievers. The first and foremost one is obesity. In obesity, if I talk about the Labradors, it is due to the mutation in the POMC gene. And if I talk about the Golden Retrievers, it may be due to hypothyroidism. Some other health problems are the luxative patella and the eye problems like cataract and the corneal dystrophy can be a major cause of concern in these retrievers. So now let's discuss about some contraindicated drugs that should not be included in the medications of these retrievers. The first one is acetaminophen, which causes the severe liver injury. The second one is Valium or Xanax, which can cause lethargy among dogs. The very common drug that is aspirin, it may also cause the gastrointestinal irritation among these Labradors and Golden Retrievers. So if I talk about the allergens, then try to avoid the dairy products, beef, soy, wheat, rabbits, fishes, and do not try to give them as they cause severe allergies in both of these breeds. So this was our small effort to make you aware and know about these very interesting retriever breeds, that is the Labrador and the Golden Retriever. So in the upcoming videos we'll be catching you with the other very interesting breeds of domestic pets. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos and do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.